Myth: if you're vegan, you can't get any natural collagen, as real collagen is always animal-based.
Truth: no body can absorb natural collagen, like any other protein. Body can absorb only amino acids after breaking down food proteins in the stomach. It can then make new collagen from these amino acids, and only in the presence of specific vitamins and minerals.
Does this mean we can't produce collagen without any animal compounds?
Definitely yes. Just let's take a deep dive into nutrient tables and find out plant foods that are rich in all puzzle pieces needed to build new collagen molecules. Starting with building blocks, 3 key amino acids: glycine, proline, and lysine.
Soybeans, and therefore all soy-based foods, including soy-based meat and dairy, are loaded with all 3 essential amino acids. All beans and lentils, as well as seeds, are also rich in amino acids, plus zinc and copper, which are also needed for collagen synthesis. Different nuts, quinoa and buckwheat, also contain certain amount of amino acids, as well as zinc and copper.
Now about foods loaded with vitamin C and minerals. These are berries, citrus, bell peppers, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts for vitamin C. All nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes for zinc and copper. And of course, delicious dark chocolate.
We already have the video of complete list of zinc-rich foods on our channel, and we'll prepare the same for copper and vitamin C soon. You will find links in the description. Also, subscribe not to miss more interesting updates.
In addition to making from plant foods, there is another way to keep your collagen levels high. It's about taking foods that actively prevent collagen from breaking down. These are
Garlic, high in sulfur, which strengthens collagen bonds and prevents breakdown. Avocados, full of healthy fats that maintain skin elasticity and hydration. Seaweed contains antioxidants and helps protect skin from ultraviolet damage, a major collagen destroyer. Leafy greens are rich in chlorophyll, which protects collagen from environmental damage.
Also, don't forget the bad guys that speed up collagen loss.
Too much sugar, which binds to collagen, making it stiff and fragile. Smoking and excessive sun exposure both lead to faster collagen breakdown, as well as environmental pollution and emotional stress, which accelerate collagen depletion.
Write in comments if you have any questions or wishes around this topic. Thank you for watching.